That's powerful.
With Safari Dental, we wouldn't dream of going anywhere else because he's comfortable.
Very kid-friendly and family-friendly here at Safari Dental, and
Tornado warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a scow line capable of producing a tornado 13 miles northwest of Brook, or 12 miles northeast of Logan, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for western Hutchison, southern Hunsford, and northeastern Mora counties. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The Robot Chicken DC Comics Special 2. Bigger, beachier, more Legion of Doom. Ear.
Vacation!
Hey there, baby.
Fuel jettisoned.
Spring break forever, bitches. The Robot Chicken DC Special 2. Villains in Paradise. Tonight at 11:30.
Drop your and grab your flip-flops.
I could go back to school on the traditional route. Lots of people do. I mean, lots. But they aren't me. I want classes I control, not lectures I have to sit through.